In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Circle on iPhone. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Shortcuts app. Now from here, you want to add a new shortcut, so tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From here, add an action and search for search image with lens. So select search image with lens. Now you want to tap on the search bar in the bottom and search for take screenshot. So what you want to do next is hold and just move it to the bottom. So we made the wrong order. So first is take screenshot and then search image with lens. Now tap on done. Now you want to make sure that your Google app is updated to the latest version. So you want this app to be updated. Now you want to close this and go to your phone settings. Now go to accessibility, select touch. Now scroll down until you find back tap. So tap on back tap, select double tap, and scroll down and select the new shortcut that you created. Now let's say we're uh, going to search for this photo. So let's just say like this. Now double tap on the back of your iPhone and it will redirect you to the Google Lens. So that's it. That's how you use Google Circle on iPhone. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.